Okay, so guys, today I just found out that I can do this trick on the pyraminx. You see? So I'm gonna do up, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, and I repeat that 3 times. So it's up, down, down, up, down, down, 3 times. So this is 2 times. Up, down, down. I can do it 3 times. And guys, this is this is slow motion. Up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down. Now guys, this is now guys, let's do it a bit faster. Up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down. Now guys, this is fast motion. So guys, now guys, let's do it in fast motion. Now let's do it even faster. And guys, do you know why I can do this trick? So guys, I will explain. So guys, I can do this trick because it's simple. But is it simple for you guys? Let me know in the comments. So guys, I'm gonna do this. 30 times. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. So guys, I did this 30 times. But guys, if you wanna learn this thing, guys, just practice. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Bye.